Tom Wheelwright, thanks for the third edition of Tax-Free Wealth. Now make sure that you get third edition. If you've read the first edition or the second edition, awesome. And you're going to want to read this one again. I've had such fun with this in the last week since it just came out. I have some very specific things that I would like to share with you about it. Page 29, quoting Tom Wheelwright. One of the clients was a good friend of mine, Kim Butler. Tom, thank you. You too are a good friend. And I know that this is from like the early 1990s. Another thing so valuable, page 192, never put a tax-sheltered investment inside another tax shelter. He's talking about real estate going into an IRA. Such an agreement with that. And page 225, mutual funds are one of the few places where you can lose money and still owe tax on the investment. So wise, such an unknown thing. I've said that to our clients for years, and it's so nice having it come from a CPA. And then on page 260, it's not how much your tax preparer charges you that matters. It's how much your tax preparer costs you. Now, above this little rule number 22, again on page 260, he talks about how so many tax preparers just focus on either one of two things: deferring income in the form of a retirement plan or prepaying expenses from one year to another. I've done that occasionally, but really what Tom says, quote, what terrible advice. So I encourage you to go to Wealthability and check out Tom's information. Again, get the book. Make sure you get the third edition. And then I've got a couple other things, super valuable, page 267. A list of questions to ask to figure out if your tax advisor is the right one. And more importantly, a list of questions they should be asking you. So as always, good stuff. To my friend, thank you so much.